Children are the weak spot in philosophy after philosophy, theory after theory, ideology after ideology. Children are always the piece of the puzzle that people never seem to put together. It's very hard to remember children. I am an expert in early American literature, so I've studied a lot about the thoughts that went into the Constitution. And if you think about it, that's a huge weak spot of the U.S. Constitution. As much as I love the U.S. Constitution, it's not really clear how you can be free when you're born a dependent infant, right? So children always need someone who is motivated against all of the common sense and all of the received wisdom to shift the focus to them. And that's why I do it, because I think children's rights are human rights. It's just that all of us, the weak spot in our human rights is the fact that we come into the world naked and helpless, and we need someone to take care of us. And so how do you have full independence as a citizen when you don't have independence as a child? So I think intellectually there's that driving force of just wanting to confront that Achilles heel of thinkers. At the same time that it's also, I'm profoundly aware of what it was like to be a child in a world where everyone's great ideas overlooked you, overlooked what that meant for you. And so the sexual revolution was something that people thought was going to be great, and probably it was for a lot of people, but for children it was a traumatic experience. And so I just always want to be mindful of that forgotten perspective.